Okay, next video. Remember what I told you to do? You're solving for x. Remember what I told you to do if it's a power. Caret, caret, circle, split, but you got to do it on both sides. Now, log divided by log is not, log over log is not going to work, okay? Not when it's going on both sides. When it's both sides, here's what you're going to do. You're going to make these swaggy little sunglasses. It's, in other words, a graphic organizer. Write the two bases, 4 and 64. What we're going to try to do is get these to turn into the same base. Right now they're different. Put your smaller base first, bigger base second. Take your smaller base and start multiplying that out till you can hit a product of 64. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. That doesn't work. Well, what's 4 times 4 times 4? Oh, 64. So I need to replace 64 with base 4 to the power of 3. Obviously, we should know why there's 3 because there's 3 4s. Now, we're going to write these both in base 4. Now that already has a 4, so that power remains the same. Now this 64, again, look over here. How many? 4 to the what power? 3. So I put a 3. Now I need to put a parentheses because I need to put the original power behind that. Now here's what happens. We can forget about the bases. And then it just becomes a simple equation. We have 2x minus 5 on this side. Then 3 times 3x is 9x on the other side. And it's just a linear equation. Get the x's together. So negative 5 is equal to 7x. Then divide by 7. You can either leave that as a fraction or you can divide it. I don't care. Okay. Either put negative 5 over 7 or negative 0.71. Okay. I'm good with either. Okay. Now on the next one. I see x as a power right away. Caret, caret, circle, circle, split, split. But when it's on both sides, I can't use log over log because I don't really have anything over here to put on top. Okay. Okay, you don't just put, it's not 3x plus 4 equals log 49 log 7 because what about this? Okay. So we got to figure that out. Clean that up. Put the smaller base over here, the bigger base here, and then I take the smaller base here and start multiplying 7s till I can hit 49. Bam, 7 times 7 is 49. How many does it take? It takes 2. So that's 7 to the second power. Okay, all right, now, so obviously I want these both as base 7. Okay, that's 7 to the second. This already has a base 7, so I keep the exponent at 3x plus 4. This here is, again, 7 to the what power? 2. But then I put it, because 7 to the second is the same as 49. But now I put the original exponent behind it. And we can cancel the 7s. And now I just end up with an easy linear equation. So I have 3x plus 4. And then that's going to be 4x plus 2. Easy solve. Subtract 3x. Takes me to 4 equals 1x plus 2. You don't have to do the factoring crap here. That's when you have x to the second in x. 4 minus 2 is 2 is 1x. Okay. X is 2. Okay, now the next one. Power, circle split. Caret, circle split. Again, when I got 2 of them, we're going with this route. Okay, now my bases are 36, and let's just forget the one, or no, you want to put the smaller base over here. instead of putting 1, 6, just put 6. We're going to change the 1, 6, but we're just going to go with 6 and then 36. Okay, multiply 6s till you're at 36. Okay. Okay, it takes 2 of them. So I replace that with 6s seconds. So obviously 6s are wild. So I want to write both these with a base 6. Now obviously 36. How many 6s does that take to multiply to 36? 2. So 6s second, and then put a parentheses and then the exponent that was there originally. Okay. Now over here, this was not 6. It was 6's reciprocal, so I need to put a new power, and I'm going to put a -1 power. Okay? Parentheses 11 minus 1x. Okay? Okay, and that's 10x plus 4. Again, I had to rewrite that because I just wanted 6, but if it's the reciprocal, I put a negative first power. Then distribute. -11 times 1, -1 times 11 is -11. -1 times -1 is positive 1x. Okay. So get the x's together on one side. So minus 1x minus 1x. It's 9x plus 4 equals -11. Then minus 4 minus 4. 9x equals -13. By 9 divided by 9. -1.4 repeating. You could also leave that -13 over 9 if you wanted to. Okay. All right, now the next one's kind of a special one. I wasn't mean. I didn't put one of these on the assignment. Okay. Power circle split, power circle split. Okay, 9's a smaller base, 27's a larger base. So can I multiply 9's out to 27? No, that's already too high. So that plan failed. Normally it works. On tests it works. So, what I need to do is go break down the 9. Well, what times itself can give you 9? 3. How many 3's does it take? 2. So this, we're going to rewrite that as 3 to the second. Now let's try multiplying 3's till I can maybe hit a product of 27. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, is that 27? Yeah, it is. Okay. So how many? That took 3. So rewrite that as 3 to the third. Now it looks like 3's are wild here. So I go 3, 3. This was not a 3. 27, it took 3 3's to multiply to that. Parentheses 4x minus 1. How many 3's it take to multiply to 9? It takes 2. So 2, parentheses 3x plus 8. Now the 3's can be canceled. That'll be 12x minus 3 on this side. That'll be 6x plus 16 on that side. So subtract x's from each side. Be 6x minus 3 equals 16. Then add 3's. Okay, 19 divided by 6 is a decimal. You can either leave it 19 over 6, or you can take 19 divided by 6, and that's 6.3 repeating. Okay.